Hi children, how are you? You are fine? Yes. You should take your health. Okay? Take care of your health. You don't want to go out, stay at home. Okay? You already studied about large numbers in the 4th standard. All of you like mathematics? Yeah, very good. Here we want to study about 6-digit numbers. You already studied 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Now I repeat. Here, first chapter more on large numbers. Here 6-digit numbers. We want to study about 6-digit numbers. If we have 5-digit numbers, according to the place value, there are 2 periods. Which are the 2 periods? Do you know which are the 2 periods? The 5-digit numbers. There are 2 periods, 1's period and 1000's period. Okay? 1's period and 1000's according to the place value chart. Do you know place value chart? This is the place value chart of a 5-digit number. Here 5-digit number can be separated into 2 periods. Which are the 2 periods here? 1's period and 1000's period. Which are the places belongs to 1's period? 1's, 10's and 100. Okay? 1's, 10's and 100 belongs to 1's period. Then 1000's period. Which are the places belongs to 1000's period? 1000's. Which are the places? 1000's and 10,000. Okay? 1000's and 10,000's belongs to 1000's period. Here in a 5-digit number there are 2 periods, 1's period and 1000's period. 1's period includes 1's place, 10's place and 100's period. Then 1000's period includes 1000 and 10,000 in the case of 5-digit number. Okay? In the case of 5-digit number there are 2 periods, but in the case of 6-digit numbers there are 3 periods. Which are the 3 periods? Do you know which are the 3 periods? Here 3 periods, 1's period. First one 1's period, then second one 1000's period, 1's period, 1000's period and lakh's period. Here there are 3 periods. 3 periods. Here first one 1's period. Here 1's period, 1's period, then 1000's period, and lakh's period. Lakh's period. What's the spelling of lakhs? L-A-K-H-S. Lakhs. Lakh's period. In the case of 6-digit numbers. Okay? Here which are the places includes 1's period? Which are the places includes 1's period? Here 1's period includes 1's place, 10's place and 100's place. Okay? 100's, 10's and 1's belongs to 1's period. Then next one 1000's period. You already studied, but you can remember this one. Here 1000's period includes which are the places? 1000's period includes 1000's and 1000's and 10,000. Here 10,000. 1000's and 10,000. Here in the case of 5-digit number there are only 2 periods, but in the case of 6-digit number there are 3 periods. Here 1's, 1000's and lakhs. Here in the place of lakhs period, which are the places belongs to lakhs period? Here lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay? Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Here 6-digit numbers we already studied, but we want to memorize the numbers. Now we want to learn more large numbers. Now we have to learn this. We already learned, but we want to remember. Here in the case of 6-digit numbers, there are 3 periods according to the place value. Then there are the place values. The periods are ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. Ones period includes ones, tens and hundreds places. Then thousands period belongs here thousands place and 10,000s place. Here lakhs period includes lakhs and 10 lakhs. If 10 lakhs place is there, we want to take that also in the lakhs period. Okay, here for example, we want to take one example, 6,83,425. How many digits are here? Here there are 6 digits. Okay, here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. These are the places. Then here in these periods, we want to separate these periods by a comma. We use comma to separate this period. Okay, which are the periods here? Ones, thousands and lakhs. Here which are the periods here? Here which are the places belongs to ones period? Here ones, tens, hundreds, isn't it? We want to put one comma here. We want to put one comma for separating these periods. Here ones, tens and hundreds belongs to one period. That belongs to one period. We want to separate these thousands and ones period by putting one comma. Okay, all of you understand? Here the next one, here 1000 and 10,000 belongs to one period. Which period? That is thousands period. Then here we want to put one more comma. For separating lakhs and thousands period, we want to put one more comma here. Okay, here we studied about the periods, place values and how can we separate these using commas. Each and every period we want to put one comma for separating these periods. Okay, here 6,83,425. How can we read this one? According to the we separated this using commas, isn't it? We separate this number into by using commas. Then how can we read this one? Here in lakhs period 6 is there. Therefore we want to read this number as 6 lakhs and 8, 10,000, 3,000. Here one period, one group. Then how can we read? 83, isn't it? 83 one group, 6 one group, 83 one group, 425 one group. Then we can easily read the number. Then how can we read the number? Here how can we read? 6,83,425. Okay, here 6,83,425. We want to write. How can we write? What we want to say? Here we want to write the name of this number or numeral. How can we read this one? 6,83,425. Like that we want to write the spelling of this number. Then 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. How many thousands are here? 83,000. What's the spelling of 83 here? 83 EIGHTY 83 THREE 83,000. 6,83,425. 425. 25. 425. Okay, all of you understand? I will give you one more example. Okay, here 2,41,709. First we got this number. We want to separate these periods by using putting commas. Okay, here we want to put commas. How can we put comma here? Here this is a 6-digit number. We want to separate this number by using commas. Which are the 3 periods here? Ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. We want to separate by using commas. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Then we want to put one comma. 1,000 and 10,000 belongs to one period. Then we want to put one more comma here. Then we can easily read, isn't it? We can easily read this number. How can we read? How many lakhs are here? 2 lakhs, isn't it? How many thousands are here? 41,000. How many ones are here? 709. Okay, all of you understand? Here 2,41,709. Okay, here we want to write the name. Or number in words. We want to write in words. Write the number in words. Okay, here 2 lakhs 41,000. What is the spelling of 40? What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Okay, F-O-R-T-Y 40, not F-O-U-R-T-Y. F-O-U-R for, but 40 means F-O-R-T-Y. The spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 2,41,000 41,000. How many ones are here? 709. 709. Okay, all of you understood? Here we want to write the number names. Here this way we want to write the number names of these numerals. Okay, here then next we want to write the, when we get the number name, we want to write the numerals also. Okay, here now when we get the number names, we want to convert into this number number names into numerals. Here may I rub it? Okay, all of you understand this one? Here then next one, numerals. How can we convert these number names into numerals? Number names into numerals. Here when we get 7 lakhs 35,416 416. This is the number name. We got this number name. Then how can we write the numeral? How can we write the numeral? How can we write? Here first we want to separate this into 3 periods. Okay, 6-digit number we want to separate into 3 periods. Here first one 416, then next one 35,000, here 7 lakhs. Then we want to write as here 7 lakhs. Then here 7 lakhs, put comma. Then how many thousands are here? 35,000. Next one 416, isn't it? 416. Like this we want to write here 7 lakhs 35,416. Next one, this one we want to convert into numerals. Okay, 7 lakhs 35,416. Then one more example here. If it is the place is not given, then how can we write the numeral? For example, 4 lakhs 21,000, isn't it? Here 4 lakhs 21,000, then 21,016 or 17. Okay, 17. How can we write here? Lakhs period, which number is here? 7 lakhs. 4 lakhs, here 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs, then 21,000, 4 lakhs, 21,000 and 17. Here, which number is in hundreds place? No number. Okay, here there is no number in hundreds place, only 17. 17 means 10 and 7, isn't it? 1, 10 plus 7, that is 1, 7, that is 17. Then the hundreds place there is no number, we want to put 0, then next 17. See it? Then 4 lakhs 21,017. Like this we want to write. Then all of you understand this one? Then I will give more examples. Okay, you have to do in a notebook. Then we want to learn comparing numbers. How to compare two numbers. Here, all of you understand this part. Here we want to study about 6-digit numbers. How can you get 6-digit number? When we add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, we will get the smallest 6-digit number. Okay. Here, greatest 5-digit number means 5 nines are here, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Greatest 1-digit number means that is 9, isn't it? Greatest 2-digit number 99. We want to write 2 nines, isn't it? 2, 9. Then 2 nines are the 99. We want to read it as 99. That is the greatest 2-digit number. Here, 5-digit number, greatest 5-digit number, that is 99,999. That is the greatest 5-digit number. How can you get the smallest 6-digit number? Let us add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number. We will get the smallest 6-digit number. All of you understand? Which is the greatest? Which is the smallest 6-digit number? This one? 6-digit number? 1 lakh. 1 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Here 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number means we want to write 9. How many times? 5 times means greatest 5-digit number. 6 times means we want to write 9 6 times. That is greatest 5-digit number 5 nines. Okay. Then I will give you some works to do. All of you write down. Here write the number names. For the following numbers. First one, seven lakhs 42,839. You want to write it as number names. Next one, 5 lakhs 39,048. Third one, 9 lakhs 25,423. Okay, then next one, write the numerals. First one, 2 lakhs 43,800. Then 5 lakhs 34,115. Okay, thank you children. You have to do in a notebook. Okay.